Hello, cartoon car collectors. So we have a cartoon version of a Subaru with literally cartoons printed on it. So this is double cartoon action. Alright, so this is a character from some sort of Japanese cartoon called Asahina Mikuru. I think it's Mikuru. Okay, I'm just guessing there. There's no original packaging, so it must be used or previously displayed. It's got this case, which is better than some of the older cases, which are ridiculously large. In this case, looks like it was designed to stack up properly, you know, with another one. So let's get that out, and then some sort of printing here, 2006, and I don't know what that is. Haruhi, maybe that's the franchise owner or something of this cartoon. Okay, that's a lot of plastic there. So it's just held on by gravity apparently, or maybe those snap around this. I'm not sure. Alright, well, let's try to look at the casting, try to get past the graphics here. So these are 2006 Impreza WRX images I pulled up, and I think the front end of this matches pretty well, actually. Here's the foreshortening. It's got that little wing on the back of the roof. So that's interesting. I don't recall seeing that before. And then here's a rear view. Well, you really can't see the taillights on a red car. Alright. Let's see what else we have. So the graphics are tampo printed, so that's nice. Yeah, door handles there, fuel filler, panel cut, the standard 5-spoke Choro-Qs. We're going to swap those out. The front end's really good. You know, you got texture in all the grills. Unfortunately, there's nothing here on the badge, but there's black here, and then good panel cuts again for these fog light covers, silver headlights, and then yeah, this person, this caricature. There's a hood scoop on the roof, something else. This side, yeah, I think those are different than that side. Yep, a different print on the windows. And then we got that little winglet with some, whoa, that's actually air passing underneath. That's unexpected. You would think that would just be solid. I think this might actually be a separate piece glued on. Same with this wing, that's gotta be a separate piece. So that's pretty good. I don't know what this is. Logo. So yeah, I guess there's no even attempt to paint these because, well, it would have been nice if they painted half of it silver, like the rear photograph. Alright. Now, why does this say 2009 when the box said 2006? So, I guess they've probably released this thing several times and just never updated the sticker on the base. Oh well. We're going to take this apart now and swap over some wheels. Oh, that one came apart pretty easily. This one has one of those sloped motors. It's not a standard, but I've seen it several times now, at least a dozen times collecting these. But I'm going to pop in a regular motor without the axle. Oh, there's the inside. So yeah, that little winglet is a separate piece. There are the melt marks and the main rear wing as well. Nice. That tab is a huge gap there, so it's not difficult to open or close like many other ChoroQs I've had. So today I have these reel riders, I think. Yep, 5-spoke reel riders. They're originally gold, but I repainted them silver, at least these front ones. And then the rear ones were actually silver, but they just have that swirly plastic look to them, so I still painted these silver with a finer hobby paint, some Vallejo silver paints. That's a little too much camber there. good. I like it. So I do have a CM's branded rally car, a 2006 Impreza. So it's got quite a different livery, but definitely I definitely prefer the rally cars. But alright, and I do have a bunch of Itasha 164s. Aoshima is a brand, and they had this whole line of various Itasha vehicles. This is a Toyota Chaser, and I swapped out some alloy wheels. This next one is a AE86 Trueno Toyota, and this one's just plastered with cartoons. And then I have an RX-7 as well. And one more. I'll just show all of them. I have a Supra. So all these Itashas have different cartoon subjects by Aoshima. I guess there's a cartoon with this Ario Mondale, a cartoon with whoever that is. K-On! Is a different franchise. No idea what that is, but if you like cartoons, you probably know more. Alright, so Itasha is a thing. I looked up some images. There actually are people putting stickers on their, cars, real cars, of these cartoon characters. Okay, well I do have this Impreza here, one of the Bug-Eye Imprezas by ChoroQ. And then I got this funky police one, which is, I think, maybe Kirin or Suntory Boss? Maybe Suntory Boss. It's a free coffee promo. And then I have this Wanda free coffee promo. It's a rally car, and I have some 3D printed wheels there. So you can get all sorts of weird stuff with these cartoon vehicles. Different kinds of deformation, and then clearly different types of liveries. Alright, let's see. I guess we'll have Spider-Man spin with this guy today. So, I don't know, let me know, is it Itasha your thing? What do you guys think about Itasha? The whole cartooning thing of cars. It's definitely weird. I don't think I would do that to my car ever. You know, if I was maybe a teenage girl, I would probably do it. I have nothing against mangas. I actually used to watch Japanese cartoons a lot when I was a kid, but they were more the robots and space battle kind of cartoons, not girl high school band stuff. But everyone's got their own taste. Alright, well, I know there's other Itasha models by ChoroQ, so I might try them out if I can get them at a decent price. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.